How to activate Walmart credit card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box, or you type in walmartmoneycard.com and then search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Now, scrolling down, you will find the option of register and activate it here. Click on this option. Now, from this page, you are able to activate your Walmart credit card. All you have to do is provide the details of the card. First up, type in the 16-digit card number. Then type in the expiration date. Then type in the CVV and then check it for the option of I'm not a robot. After you provide all the details, click on next, and just with that your card will be activated. So this way you can easily activate Walmart credit card online. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.